Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive payment in PayPal. Type paypal.com and sign in your account. After sign in, click on activity and in the transaction type select received, payment received. So you will see a list of payment what you received. So here is the option payment unclaimed. So just you need to click on accept. If you will accept this one, so it will charge about 1.53 USB. Now read this thing and see what's the charge. Everything is okay, so just select the accept as your currency or US dollar, so as your requirement, and after that click on submit. So you will see you have successfully accepted this payment. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method you can accept any payment in PayPal. You can claim unconfirmed payment in PayPal. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.